In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make collage in Adobe Express. We'll walk through a simple, clean workflow so you can build a collage quickly and confidently, even if you're brand new to the tool. First, open Adobe Express. You can use the web version in your browser or the app if you have it installed. Once it loads, make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can start fresh. If you already have a project open, that's okay. Just return to the home area so we can begin a new one. Next, click Start New Design. This creates a fresh canvas for your collage. If you see size options, pick a size that matches where you'll share the collage. Square is great for social, landscape for slides, and portrait for stories. Don't worry if you're unsure, you'll be able to adjust size later, so pick something close to your goal and keep moving. Now look for charts and grids. Clicking this opens layout options that organize your photos neatly without manual alignment. Grids are the backbone of a clean collage because they control spacing and alignment for you. Browse until you find a grid that fits the number of images you want to show. If you're undecided, choose a simple 2 or 3 column layout. You can always change it. Add the grid to your canvas. You should see placeholders where images will go. With the grid in place, select a sample photo. This is a quick way to populate your layout and see how it behaves. You can use any sample or placeholder image just to preview the structure. Drop it into one of the cells, then repeat for the other cells. If you're testing the design, you can duplicate the same image to fill the grid. Later, you can replace any placeholder by clicking the image and choosing a different photo. Finally, resize. You can resize the entire collage by selecting the canvas and dragging the corner handles to make it larger or smaller. To fine-tune the layout, click the grid itself. Adjust the spacing or gutters to increase or decrease the gaps between images, and drag the dividers to change the proportions of each cell. If a photo doesn't fit, double-click it to reposition or scale it inside its frame so important parts stay visible. Keep an eye on the edges to avoid unintended cropping. That's it. You opened Adobe Express, started a new design, used charts and grids for structure, populated the cells with sample photos, and resized to perfect the final look. Practice with different grid options and spacing until the collage feels balanced, and you'll have a polished design